Modern man today is a mix of imposed ambitions, unsuccessful life experiences, excessive awareness, lack of consciousness, and fear of tomorrow. All of us face the same question: why are we what we are? Can we achieve better results? And what should we do to achieve this? Every day we desire something better and try to imagine our future.
I have always wondered why some of my desires are implemented, while others not. What prevents me from getting all what I want? I'd like to have an interesting job, date a beautiful girl, and be successful in my life.
Is there any difference between the concrete and abstract, close and far future imagination? Is there a connection between your education level, your occupation, and what actually is in your mind?
Where is the future? Is it at your left or at your right? Is it static or it has dynamics? When you see yourself situated in the future, do you see it from within or you see yourself from aside?
We have managed to answer these questions in many hours. We know how to achieve the goals, and we can train you to do this.
Motivation loss, impulsive reversion to habitual behavior, and lack of willpower are factors that prevent people from setting and achieving their goals. The BrainLab company has been doing researches in the area of cognitive processes for the last 15 years. Having succeeded in this field, we are ready to share our knowledge. We are pleased to introduce a mobile application called EVE, Evolutionary Variations Effect. The application includes a set of interacting modules integrated into a single intelligent system that can foresee the user's future to help him make optimum decisions. The system modules provide the following options: data integration, modeling a user's unique intellectual profile, information analysis and synthesis, high-precision future forecasting, creation of an individual's life roadmap, brain training algorithm implementation based on evolutionary variability effect, platform for communication and cooperation. Before getting to know how the system works, it is necessary to understand what kinds of phenomena you are dealing with. Spheres of desires, plans, and expectations about your future. Are your ambitions really yours, or are they imposed ambitions? And are they really what you want? Constraining personality characteristics. This is about hang-ups, habits, and erroneous perceptions that influence your behavior. Time limits. Time is a non-renewable resource. Your lifetime is running out while you still stay in place. Information overload. Bundles of meaningless facts, useless awareness.
How does it work for your personal benefit?
For starters, Brain Laboratory has worked out a unique testing kernel which compiles a collection of the user's individual characteristics and his predisposition towards making certain choices for the future. Next, the user's information is integrated, and an analysis is done to create his unique intellectual profile in the form of an information model. At the next stage, the EVE app analyzes and synthesizes a mass of data from the global net, extracting information that is significant for the user. This is how the flow of excessive information becomes useful knowledge. It means that the system augments your reality with the information you need at the moment. Concurrently, the system detects hidden potential connections and uses them to make a probabilistic analysis of the user's future and creates a personality roadmap for the individual. In essence, this roadmap is a personal navigator, which helps the user to make correct choices based on the received data and value system of the person. A special program developed by our laboratory, based on principles of psychophysiology and behavioral economics, plays an important part in this process. The program teaches the user's brain to use the most effective algorithms to achieve success. In addition, the EVE app identifies and suggests a range of other compatible EVE users for the user to cooperate with on achieving the goal. To sum up, the EVE app is designed to construct your future. This is a program that can adapt to the changing conditions of life and react to them properly. EVE performs as reliably and as uniquely as you. The EVE app is not just your personal assistant, but a self-maker which perceives the human essence of the user. Who is the EVE app built for? For those who want to know themselves and achieve their goals. For those who have had a success but seek to extend the horizons of vision. For those seeking the correction of a present situation. For an assessment of an individual's personality structure and ambitions. For a compatibility assessment as applied to private and business relations. For training and overall personal growth. For determining your child's personal code in order to identify what directions they can best develop in. and where they can best realize their talents.
I've always known that I am able to achieve more. Eve will be a great companion in my everyday life.
Eve system is a starting point for the development of a new information ecosystem, where every individual determines his future by himself. There is nothing impossible, and the science is accessible for everyone who aspires to achieve a better future.
One day you will realize that there is enough good fortune for every person, and there is no sense in trying to own someone else's happiness. It is pointless to compare yourself with others. The only reasonable comparison is what you were in the past and what you are today. Your future depends only on you, and you decide what it will be. One that is bright and joyous, or one that is gloomy and boring.